lifting your foundation versus lifting your house. If your house has a sinking foundation, does the foundation of the house need to be lifted or does the house need to be lifted? I know that two terms sound the same, but they're totally different. Stay tuned to find out the difference between lifting a foundation and lifting a house. Hi, I'm Nolan Beery and I'm the sales director here at Acculevel. In this video, I'll tell you what lifting a foundation is and lifting a house is. I will also tell you how the two processes are different. Before we go any further, please give us a thumbs up and ring that bell. Let's get started. So when we say lifting a foundation, what that's in reference to is actually lifting up the foundation walls and or the footings that those walls sit on. When we're talking about lifting a house, what we're referring to is lifting the floor joist, the entire subfloor system, the studs, the roof, and everything in or around that home. The processes are different based on that the two separate components can settle individually and at different rates. And so you can come and see your foundation or your footing actually settle quicker than the home is following it. So therefore you're going to raise the footing and the foundation of the home without maybe raising the home at all. Now the other thing can happen to where the actual home starts to settle towards the middle. Now we're talking more about the subfloor, but the foundation, the footings have stayed true and have stayed level. To contact us to schedule an appointment with one of our project advisors, give us a call or go to our homepage, acculevel.com, click the Book a Consultation button, fill out the form, and we'll contact you within the next business day. Do you have questions about your settling home or foundation? If so, please leave them in the comments below. Check out the description for more videos and blog articles on crawl space and foundation repair. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up and ring that bell. We would greatly appreciate it. Thank you for watching.